We've worked on our sumo-robot, improved automatic trash can, and tested our mobile game. Hi makers, another meeting just ended, and it started with a discussion about sugar rockets because one of our youngest member, Memo, is dreaming about building a rocket. And Ashton, as it seems, has experience in that. We also made some improvements to our ocean cleaning drone case and tested 3D printing parts and ways to connect them to the HDPE tube. And as a funny one evening project, we got rid of the batteries in our automatic trash can and connected it directly into the USB port, exploring how does it actually work and what kind of sensors are on board. TinyBD did a great job on constructing, modeling, and building our first sumo-robot prototype. Next meeting, we will discuss how we can build the arena for a sumo-robot competition. And probably also building the second robot to have someone to fight with. Max brought his drone, and as always, flying drones are fun. Worth to mention that our mobile Phuket scooter driving mobile game got some attention, and people were trying to beat the score. We also collected valuable feedback to improve the game. Thank you for coming, dear members, and see you next Wednesday at 7 p.m. at Pirate Bay.